We're back in Spring Creek Mountain Village, a special Canmore neighborhood where the lifestyle is built right in. You have this gorgeous setting, super scenic pathways around the island, and mountain views everywhere. And you're just a short, picturesque stroll to Main Street, Elevation Place, Bridget Bar, and now the brand new Hunter's Steakhouse, which is excellent news if walking to dinner is part of your love language. And today we're taking a tour of 102 in Creekstone Mountain Lodge, a beautifully located 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in one of Spring Creek's residential buildings. This one's ideal for someone looking for a carefree, full-time home or that easy mountain lock and leave lifestyle. Inside this great condo, you've got a really functional open floor plan with the kitchen, living, and dining areas all really nicely proportioned. The kitchen features solid wood cabinetry, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances, and has a great connection to the main living area. So whether you're here full-time or just for weekend retreats, it just feels easy and comfortable. The main living area has beautiful hardwood floors, this cozy gas fireplace, and direct access out to the deck, giving you your own outdoor spot to enjoy a coffee or fire up the grill. Just down the hall, the good-sized primary bedroom is a comfortable retreat with large windows, hardwood floors, and its own 4-piece ensuite. There's also a second bedroom here and another full bathroom. So the layout works really well for visiting friends and family, or if you need a home office. A great perk of Creekstone Mountain Lodge is access to some fantastic building amenities, including an outdoor hot tub, a fitness room, and an owner's lounge. And to round it all out, you also have underground heated parking and storage. So if you've been waiting for the right opportunity to be part of Canmore's most scenic and walkable communities, 102 at Creekstone might be your moment. For more information or to have a look in person, my contact info is below. And if you enjoyed this tour, please hit the like button. I've got some great new listings coming to market soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. I'm Chezlene Kocian with RE/MAX Alpine Realty.